MSC Seaside Ocean View Cabin. This is cabin number 5073. We're going to give you a quick room tour of it. It's actually kind of a nice cabin. We're going to start here at the door when you come in. Let's give it a quick look. So you have a place to put your key card in that kind of keeps the lights on. You'll need to keep some sort of key in there to keep the lights on while you're in here. The light switch is right below it. That turns the lights on and off. Right above it, these two little buttons are key to your experience while you're cruising. There's a do not disturb button right up top here. Turn that on when you're in the cabin if you don't want anybody to bother you. Also right below it is the makeup room. So if you need extra service in your room, you can turn that on. Spin back around, there is a full-length mirror for getting ready, which is really nice, all the way to the floor. Right here is the actual button that's on the outside of the bathroom to turn the light on and off. Here is your thermostat to turn the air conditioner all the way down. We'll come back to the bathroom in just a second, but we come out here. Here is your closet space, nice tall closet. There are two hanging racks in here, a lower one and a taller in case you have some longer dresses. Quite a few hangers, but you can always request more hangers if you need them from your room steward. Just slide this shut. If you come over here, there is a safe on the top shelf. Looks like there are 3 shelves and then 3 drawers just below that. We spin around to the bed. This configuration, if we back up, as you can see, is a king size bed. I'm sure it can be made up into 2 twin beds, but right now this is king size. There's a reading lamp here. As you can see, it can be folded down. There's a light switch right below it here. 2 light switches to turn the lights on and off. This light switch controls the lights for the room. Cuts them back on. There is a little side table right below it. If you spin back around here, on this side, there is a side table. And I noticed there is a USB plug right here, and there's how you turn the light switches on and off in the room, and also another reading lamp. There's a full couch in here that I believe folds out into a bed as well. Little table in the middle. If we spin back around here, you have your TV. Nice size TV in the room, which is where you'll also watch a video before your muster station, before you do your muster. Down here is 2 European power plugs. You also have 2 120 volt outlets along with 2 USB plugs. Another power switch here, which turns on the lights above the mirror. There's some lights above the mirror here, full length mirror. Down here is a refrigerator. It is stocked at the moment, but I believe you can have them empty this if you're not part of the package that can get that stuff for free. We're not going to get any of that stuff. Our cabin attendant is here. Looks like it is Lanto is her name. There's some room service, food menu, pizza delivery, mini bar, that type of stuff. Other information on the counter. And our window. Look at the view, our ocean view window. So what we're going to do now is we're going to spin around. We're going to go back over and take a look at the bathroom. So taking a look at the bathroom, it's your standard MSC bathroom. It's kind of what we've seen so far. Nice tall shower with glass doors. Your shower gel and shampoo is here on the inside on the wall. Decent sized bathroom. Your towels, some shelves for you to put your stuff, a couple of little cups there as well to put some stuff in. Just your standard nice bathroom. We like it. We think it's nice. But anyway, this is your ocean view room on the MSC Seaside.